Hi, this is PB bringing to you the latest on NEET UG 2025 counselling schedules. State of Rajasthan Counselling Authority, that is the Rajasthan University of Health Sciences, has announced the first round of NEET UG counselling for both Part 1 and Part 2. The counselling, which is going to be held for both MBBS and BDS seats, is going to be held for about 36 medical colleges in Rajasthan, which includes 25 government colleges and 9 private colleges, and also 16 dental colleges, of which one is government college, and 15 private dental colleges. The application form online form filling start date is the 28th of July 2025 and the last date is 1st August 2025 8 p.m. The application fee payment to be done online also starts on the 28th of July and the last date is 1st August 4 p.m. Matrix publishing will be done on the 28th of July. The provisional list which is published will be sent for verification on the 2nd of August. The provisional list will be verified on the 4th of August at the Academic Block SMS Medical College, Jaipur. The merit list after verification will be published on the 5th of August. The security deposit amount as given in the information booklet has to be paid between the 5th and the 7th of August before 5 p.m. on the last date. Choice filling and choice locking will be held between the 5th and the 7th of August ending at 11:55 p.m. Locking can be done on the 8th of August. The publication of the round 1 allotment will be made on the 10th of August and you can print the round 1 allotment letter between the 10th and the 14th of August. Deposit of the prescribed 1-year tuition fee has to be made between the 11th and the 14th of August before 3 p.m. on the last date. Reporting to the allotted college has to be done between the 11th and the 14th between 9 and 4 p.m. The last day you can do it before 6 p.m. The schedule for the subsequent round is yet to be announced, so keep watching our video for more and more updates. Until we meet again, be safe and God bless.